show you something that costing you money, not because you ignored it, because it was mixed under another 15 emails. If you're a content creator getting 15 to 100 emails daily, your inbox is completely unorganized. Sponsorship mixed with spam, brand deals lost in newsletters, collaboration requests you will never see. You spend 30 minutes just organizing your inbox and you know you miss opportunities. I am Ahsan Shabbir, founder of Smartcreatix. We built an AI agent specifically for content creators to solve this exact problem. Here's how it works. I sent a sponsorship email from my second account to my main account where the Gmail labeling agent is active. Now I am opening my main Gmail account where the agent is running. You can see a new email from Ahsan Shabbir. You can also see that the sponsorship label was automatically added, and in the sponsorship section this email has already been categorized and placed there. The agent works like this. Every time a new email arrives, it reads the content, detects the category, applies the appropriate label, and then adds the email to the correct labeled section automatically. Our clients save 10 to 15 hours per month. They respond to sponsorship within hours, not days. They never miss opportunities and their inbox stress gone. If you are ready to stop missing sponsorship opportunities and get those 10 hours back, click below and book a free 15-minute call where I will show you exactly how this works for your inbox. No pressure, no commitment, just a conversation about organizing your inbox. See you on the call.